best motorcycle for beginners. Yamaha YZF R3. Motorcycling, with its promise of speed, thrill, and the freedom of the open road, has always captivated the adventurous spirit. For beginners entering this exhilarating world, choosing the right motorcycle is a momentous decision. The Yamaha YZF R3, renowned for its accessible power, sporty design, and beginner-friendly features, emerges as the ultimate sport bike for those commencing their journey into the realm of two-wheeled excitement. With its balanced performance, sleek aesthetics, and rider-focused attributes, the YZF R3 provides an ideal platform for beginners to embark on their journey of skill development, excitement, and sport riding without feeling overwhelmed. Balanced performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Yamaha YZF R3 lies a potent 321cc parallel twin engine. This engine strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability, delivering exhilarating performance while ensuring a gentle learning curve for beginners. Sporty design and aesthetic appeal. The YZF R3 boasts a sporty and aggressive design that mirrors its larger sport bike counterparts. Its sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and distinctive styling elements capture the essence of sport bike excellence, appealing to riders seeking a dynamic and visually striking motorcycle. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also take pride in the YZF R3's sporty aesthetic. Ergonomic comfort and rider-focused layout. Despite its sporty appearance, the YZF R3 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It offers a comfortable and slightly lean-forward riding position that ensures ease during spirited rides and long journeys. The well-contoured seat, clip-on handlebars, and rear-set foot pegs contribute to a rider-focused setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and nimble agility. The Yamaha YZF 3 South African Rand is celebrated for its responsive handling and nimble maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis, precise steering, and agile characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate twisty roads, city streets, and varying riding conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is a paramount concern for beginner riders, and the YZF R3 often comes equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, for enhanced braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in novice riders as they learn to harness the motorcycle's performance. Urban commutes and spirited escapes. The YZF R3's versatility extends beyond spirited rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between daily urban commutes and spirited escapes, all while enjoying the motorcycle's sporty and adaptable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Yamaha brand and the YZF R series create a welcoming community that warmly embraces beginners. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for sport riding and the YZF R3 sport bike attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Yamaha YZF R3 encourages skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of sport riding. Budget-friendly sport riding. The YZF R3 offers an affordable entry point into the world of sport motorcycles. Its reasonable price, manageable maintenance costs, and Yamaha's reputation for reliability ensure that riders can enjoy sport riding without breaking the bank. Variety to suit every rider. The YZF R3 offers a versatile platform with various color options and accessories to suit different rider preferences. Whether it's track days, canyon carving, or daily commuting, the YZF R3 can be customized to meet the needs of each sport bike enthusiast. Conclusion. The Yamaha YZF R3 exemplifies Yamaha's commitment to providing the ultimate sport bike for beginners. With its accessible performance, sporty design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the YZF R3 offers an immersive gateway to the thrill of sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a Yamaha YZF R3 as their first sport bike, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for sportiness, exhilaration, and the excitement of conquering the open road on two wheels.